Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I actually still think this is going to go down. I still think this move up is a crescent to the downtrend, and I still believe it's going to go down to about this 100% Fibonacci extension right around the 1.13 area to make a wave C. Now, it could possibly stretch out into a wave 3 and go all the way down to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension, but more likely than not, it is probably going to be a wave C. It'll probably stop around this area right here, or maybe even at the 78% Fibonacci extension. Either way, we're definitely going to be primarily looking for shorts. Now, going down to the weekly time frame, we have definitely been going up very strong, as you can see. But to me, this really looks like a downtrend. I think this is a wave one. I think we're currently in a wave two. And I think eventually, probably after it takes out the wave four of wave one structure, it will go down and make a wave three, probably make a one, two, three, four, and five of wave C, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily. On the daily time frame, I'm still more likely to call this three waves up and then three waves down. Kind of looks like we're forming some sort of a WXY pattern. I think this is going to go up, maybe form three waves up, which should take out this high, and it's probably going to be like three waves for the W, three waves for the X, three waves for the or three waves for the W, three waves for the X, and three waves for the wave Y. And I still think this is all going to be a wave two. This is going to be a wave one. Probably after it takes out the higher wave 4, it will continue to downtrend for a big giant wave 3. So taking it down to that 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I think it's very clear, actually extremely clear correction. Look how clear this correction is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, B, C, wave B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave C. Definitely turned at some fib levels. I would consider that respecting the 50%, even though it did overshoot it by quite a bit. Then impulsive up with a break of structure. That is very clearly to me the end of a correction, and I actually think it's probably the end of a like I was showing on the daily, this is a W and this is an X, which means this is probably going to make a pretty good sized uptrend for the wave Y, for the ABC of wave Y. All that information is telling me that I definitely should be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So we do have a little bit of a five-way pattern here on 1 hour. We got one, two, three, four, five. So hopefully what happens, especially because we have these breaks of structure, I think there's going to be a lot of selling pressure. So hopefully what happens is it does make a pullback, because if it does make a pullback, that's going to give us a great opportunity to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. This is probably like a one and a two. Now, I personally wouldn't be trying to sort this thing because, I mean, there's no proof at all this is going down and it could just keep on drifting up. But when it does make a pullback, whether it happens now or whether it happens later, that's when I'm going to be looking to get in again for the continuation of this uptrend, which, like I said, is probably going to be an ABC of wave Y based on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.